Y'all, I know this is a bit of a one note for me, but this is just like we're marveling that God's beanbag just exploded, Mike said. Shit.
Guys who like grew up in this.
Well, that's what she said. She's like, is it worse than? I go, whatever date you're going to say. Yes, it's worse than whatever date you're going to say.
Yeah, I'm going after that window next. I can't believe it's just dumping as much as it ever has. It's a total river of snow. A river of snow. Look, more rivers of snow. And guess what? Every fucking one of them leads down next to the generator. It's just starting to get super windy. And these heavy trees are moving around and shit's falling out of them. So I'm going inside, and don't fall over any of you trees.